Hey guys, it's Maddox_Dumb10X, and we just got the Lowe's 2023 hooded greeter. We're gonna do an unboxing, a setup, and a demo. So just like that, haven't looked in the box, haven't opened it, and he's supposed to be really easy to set up supposedly. So we got, well, that's zip tied down. We got, oh, well, actually this is all zip tied down. So I'm gonna go cut the zip ties and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I cut all the zip ties, and yeah, so we got the base. We got the base to it. We have the instruction booklet with actually 4 AA batteries, so I think it can go wireless if you put batteries in it. We have the adapter, little adapter box, and we have, oh, it's attached. Yeah. We have basically the main piece, the hooded greeter. So, yeah, that's one of like the biggest pieces, and there's not much actually left in the box. There is some poles that are zip tied to. There's a control box, and yeah, so I'm gonna have to cut the zip ties again, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I cut all the zip ties. We have poles, and we have the control box. And yeah, so that's what's all in the box. Now, let's go to the setup. So we have the, where's the AA connection? Where'd I just put it? Oh, where'd I put it? Are you serious? Oh, I'm dumb.
You stupid.
They're not.
So we got the A to A connection right here. It's just a snap lock, so you gotta snap that just like that. Perfect. We got the A to B connection, and we got the C, the C to C connection. Bro, if it wants to go, this is hard, dude. And just like that, we got it. So now, we have wires. We have actually the last piece. Very, very simple build. I don't know which way he goes. He goes which way. But why is this closed like this? This is hard to do, not gonna lie. Okay, so the front. Here's the front. Okay, got it. Perfect. So if we snap lock this again, there's another snap lock. And that, if this wants to connect. Wait, I'm so confused. So guys, there he was, the Lowe's 2023 hooded greeter. This guy is absolutely awesome. He was like $125. I got him at Lowe's today. He is really, really cool. I like his creepy cloth and his mouth. I like the way he turns his head and stuff. But overall, this is one of the best budget props you can get this year from Lowe's. It is awesome. It has good phrases. It has a loudspeaker. And you can also run it on batteries if you don't want it to have like a wire attached to it. But overall, this guy is absolutely awesome. And like always, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, let's plug him in.
Beware of the spirits that live in this house. They do not take kindly to visitors. Alive with spiders